This Makita Rotary hammer drill is the HR2470, designed to be used by trade and industry professionals for brick and concrete applications. It also can accommodate wood and steel. The drill bits are interchanged easily with the SDS system, and setting the drill to the hammer-only function allows for chipping or demolition operations. The speed can be controlled through the pressure applied to the trigger, and the direction of the rotation can be adjusted from both sides, allowing drill bits to be reversed out. There is an easy accessible lock button on the handle. The drill weighs 2.9 kilos and has a chord length of 4 meters, giving you more than enough length and not requiring an extension lead each time you use it. The removable support handle has an easy set depth stop, whilst the handle has a soft contoured grip to prevent fatigue and reduce vibration. It has a strong durable cable guide with a hanging hook for practical storage and preventing damage to the cord. The drill comes in a protective carry case with plenty of space to store additional items and long drill bits. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.